Thank you, Vuyo. Giant food producer Tiger Brands says it will pay out the medical bills of qualifying individuals affected by the deadly listeriosis outbreak in 2017. The company faces a multi-billion-rand court case for its liability and compensation, with attorneys estimating those affected suffered damages of between 1.5 and 2.5 billion rand. The listeriosis outbreak claimed the lives of over 200 people and left more than 1,000 seriously ill. Joining me now for an update on this particular story is Zeenat Emmamally, Associate Attorney at Spoor Incorporated. Zeenat, what does this Tiger Brands announcement mean for the victims who have suffered since 2017?
Hi. So at the outset, we'd like to clarify that there has been no confirmation that Tiger Brands is going to pay the medical bills of those with urgent relief. What they have indicated is that they're going to be engaging with us, which we can confirm we've received correspondence in this regard. But it is an enormously positive step for the victims of this outbreak.
Would this medical bill payout absolve the food producer from the full liability of paying out to all the victims?
No, not at all. Any amount that they are willing to pay would be in the interim until the liability and quantum of their liability is finally resolved. So this is just an amount that they may be willing to consider to pay in the meantime.
Now, Tiger Brands talks about qualifying victims. Have they explained what exactly is the criteria for that?
We're in ongoing negotiations with Tiger Brands on who would qualify or what criteria they must meet in order for them to be a qualifying victim.
Now, in January of 2023, you approached the National Institute for Communicable Diseases for access to their records relevant to the listeriosis outbreak. Can you please give us an update on the class action and the entire case? How far have you gone, and are you still confident to get Tiger Brands to admit at least that it affected all of the victims?
So you would have seen that Tiger Brands has issued a statement that the NICD earlier this year provided some information. So what we've gotten from the NICD is the raw data files, which allows us to genetically link some of our clients to the Tiger Brands factory and their products. In addition to this, we have a confirmation from the NICD and the NHLS that the strain of listeriosis that most of the victims suffered with was only ever found at Tiger Brands' facility. So these are enormously positive steps, and it is very good for the rest of the victims of the outbreak as well.
Have you been in contact with some of the victims to tell them about the latest update in terms of this particular case?
Yes, so we will be sending out an update to all of our clients later today, but we have had a lot of our clients very enthusiastically reaching out to us today, which we're excited for them as well.
Is there a feeling from yourself as the representatives of the families that, Tiger Brands is holding out in terms of money? And I ask this question because it's reported positive results. Life is still going on for the food producer, still, gaining commercial, benefits from selling some of these products.
Yes, so, well, sorry, I'm just... Tiger Brands is insured against this claim. So the amounts that will be eventually paid out are already sitting with the insurer. So I don't think, any amounts that they'll pay out now in the interim would not affect the overall amounts that they have reserved in order to pay the total quantum that they are liable for to the class members.
That estimation of 1.5 to 2.5 billion rand, is it still so, or is there an addition of some interest as the case goes on?
So we will be requesting, amounts for past medical expenses, for future medical expenses. So it will be an ongoing amount for our clients throughout their lifetime as well. So that is what we will be negotiating with Tiger Brands as well.
Are you aware when the next meeting will be around these deliberations?
Well, we're hoping that it will be very soon. We are thoroughly considering the correspondence that we've received from Tiger Brands, and we will reach out, hopefully, in the next few weeks to meet with them.
Thank you very much for that update. Zeenat Emmamally, Associate Attorney at Spoor Incorporated.